Welcome to another session of Math is Fun. Today's class we will be learning to find the surface area of a cylinder. We can take a cylinder, a figure of cylinder of any radius r and height h. And first of all we need to derive the formula to calculate the surface area of a cylinder. We can wrap the cylinder using a rectangular sheet of paper whose breadth is equal to the height of the cylinder. Once we wrap it, we have to cut the remaining portions, and when we unwrap the cylinder, we again obtain a rectangular sheet of paper whose breadth is equal to the height of cylinder, whereas its length is equal to the circumference of the circle. If you observe carefully, the area of this rectangular sheet of paper that was wrapped around the cylinder is nothing but the area of the curved surface of the cylinder. But we know that area of any rectangle is given by the formula breadth into length. So, as we have seen, the length of the rectangle is circumference of the circle, whereas the breadth of the rectangle is height of the cylinder. So, the curved surface area of the cylinder will be equal to the product of these two. That will be the circumference of the base of the circle into height of the cylinder. The circumference of the base of the cylinder is nothing but the circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, whereas the height is h. So we get the curved surface area of the cylinder with radius r and height h as 2 pi r h. Now to obtain the total surface area of the cylinder, we add the curved surface area of the cylinder with the area of two circular portions, which is the area of the upper circular surface and the area of the lower circular surface. That will be equal to pi r square. So adding pi r square plus pi r square along with the curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h, we get the total surface area of the cylinder. Therefore, the total surface area of the cylinder becomes 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Now we are going to solve a sum related to formulas we have seen to solve the area of the curved surface area and the total surface area of the cylinder. A water tank of cylindrical shape, diameter 2 meter and height 3 meter is with a closed lid. The tank is to be painted externally including the lid. Find the expenditure if the rate of painting is 40 rupees per square meter. Now we have to look what is given in this problem. The problem asks us to find out the expenditure of rate of painting. For that, we have to calculate the total surface area of the cylindrical tank, and it is the diameter, that is the radius of the cylinder, is given, whereas the height 3 meters is also given, along with the rate of painting. We know that the total surface area of a cylinder is given by the formula 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. In short, it is 2 pi r taken as common and multiplied by h plus r. Substituting the values of height and radius of the circle, we get the total surface of the cylindrical tank as 2 pi into 1 into brackets 1 plus 3. That is, we get the total surface area of the cylindrical tank as 25.12 square meters. Now the total expenditure to paint this cylindrical tank, we multiplying the rate of painting, that is 40 rupees per square meters, into the total surface area of the cylindrical tank. This we get with the expenditure of painting as 25.12 multiplied by 40, that is 1004.8 rupees. Now students, I want you to solve these examples as your practice sums. The first question is to calculate the total surface area and the curved surface area for given radius and heights. The second sum, we have to find the total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum if its diameter is 50 cm and height is 25 cm. Third sum, we have to find the area of the base and the radius of a cylinder if its curved surface area is 660 square centimeters and the height is given as 21 centimeters. And I am pretty much sure that you will be able to solve it accurately and speedily. Thank you. Goodbye.